Finance Minister Arun Jaitley will hold a meeting with market regulators in Mumbai today to take stock of the economic situation. This will be Arun Jaitley's first visit to Mumbai after taking charge of the Finance Ministry. Jaitley is also expected to chair the 11th meeting of the Financial Stability and Development Council at the Central Bank's Mint Road office. Apart from officers of the Finance Ministry, the meeting will be attended by RBI Governor Raghuram Rajan, SEBI Chairman UK Sinha, the IRDA Chairman, the head of the Forward Markets Commission and PFRDA Chairman. Fiscal situation of the country and developments in the financial markets will also be discussed in the meeting. Banking sector regulations are also likely to come up. Let's get in a word from our correspondent Virender Gunawat, who's joining us live from Mumbai this morning. Virender, we're also saying that crucial banking sector regulations are likely to come up in this meeting. Can you share some details with us?
Definitely, Simi. In fact, this meeting is quite crucial because after Arun Jaitley becoming the finance minister, he's meeting all these regulators first time. FSTC is a body where all the regulators come together on a common platform. They discuss the further strategy to regulate the economy, to regulate each and every sector. Let's say, first of all, I'm standing right now just opposite our RBI headquarters. In the conference room at 2 o'clock, the finance minister would be having a photo op and with all the regulators. So at 2:15, they would be sitting together to discuss how to take it forward. For example, there's a lot of concern issue on the bad loans, the willful defaulters that is going crores and crores. RBI has to stop it as soon as possible. They need to curb the NPA. So that would be the prime focus of this particular meeting.
Right.
Let's say SEBI. The UK Sinha has a challenge because a lot of hot money is flowing in the capital market, but the foreign institutional investors are putting their money and they're taking the Sensex at a historical high, about 25,000 level. But that needs to be regulated. What kind of money is coming inside? There's an Insurance Regulatory Development Authority chairman is attending. The Forward Market Commission chairman is attending because we have known that we have seen a kind of scam or a rupees 5,600 crore NSCL scam. So I think these are the challenges before the finance minister in the coming days, and that need to be strategized and to be regulated in the coming months, and that is the meeting all about.